Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a panda. So please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. First of all, I will draw a nose between the paper. So like this, and now the face. Okay, till here and here you can do this like this. Okay, now what you have to do? Now you have to draw two eyes side by side, round like this, and here as well. Okay, and now what you have to do? You have to make a lower part of face. You have to start from here. You have to come, try to make it round. Okay, so now you can draw some like hairs like this, and this. Okay, same you have to do here. Like you can draw, you can write, I have to remove from here, and I have to draw like ear shape. Okay, so these are the hairs of face, and now you have to go upside. You have to go upside. Go, and even you can stop here, and the same you have to go upside. Okay, till here you have to stop, and now you have to make a like come more, and here you have to make a again the hair of head, and you have to meet these 2 points. Like this. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to draw ears like from here. You have to make a round like this one, and one is upper side. You have to draw like one upper side. The same here we will draw. First of all, the round, the inner side, and the upper side it's as well. Okay, so now you can one thing more do, like you can raise from here, from here, from here, from here, and you can make like hairs like this, like the whole. Okay, and like this, and the hair as well you can make like this, like this, and this. Okay, so the next step, what is that? So for next step, it's But here you can do one more thing, the upper side of eyes, that it's totally black, that will be black. So the panda's eyes, the black part, and that's the inner, I will draw later. So now it's eyebrows, you can draw from here. Okay, so now we have to come to the towards the body. For body you have to start from here. You have to draw like one elbow, come down and roundish, like this. Okay, you can make it round here. Okay, the same like here to here, and the same you have to draw from here. Like this. You have to, like, you can start from here as well. Okay, here I have to remove, and I have to make a round, and here as well. Okay, till here nicely done. So what's more you can draw the upper part of tummy, like this is the upper part. And now we have to made foots. For foot I will start from here, and I will go down, and I will go up. Okay, this I have drawn here, and the second same we have to draw this here as well. Like okay, you have to meet like this. Okay, till here children's nicely done. So now I have to made a leg. You have to make a leg. You can start here and meet here. Okay, meet here, and from here as well, same. You can start from here and meet here. Now what's more you have to draw the part of down, like the leg, like this, and the same you have to do this. From here you can start, and here, like this. Okay, nicely done till here. So now the down part of the tummy, like the base of the your, it's not tummy, sorry, it's a panda's base. Okay, so amazing. But now you have to draw the footprint downside, here, here, and here, and the big one. Okay, and same you have to draw here. Here and here and big one here. So I will draw as well the nails of panda. So cute children, still here, nicely done. So now I have to dark it with marker, and then I will color white and black, and I meet you after color. Okay, so yupu guys, our panda is ready. So I have used only this black color and 4 feet this color, and the white part I have left. So please watch full video every time to have more fun, and subscribe my channel. Take care until the next video. Bye bye.